Okay, so for today's warm-up, we're going to play Tap the Word. These are tricky words, so it's going to be a fun game to see if we can see and say these words or find them really quickly. And we played this last week, and what I had you do was we went through each of the words, and then I called them out, and you were to tap them on your screen, okay? So let's get started. Let's first review all of our tricky words. So right here's the word down. Down. Was, one, once, of, when, where, do, she, why, me, what, from. Oh, and I have down again, so you'll have two chances, so you can hit either one. So I'm going to call out a word. You're going to have to find it on your screen, and you're going to tap it or touch it or point to it, okay? I'll start out a little slow, and then we will have a challenge. I'll call them out a little bit quicker, okay? Here we go. First word to find and tap is of. Of. Okay, you found it right here. Great job. Of. Remember that is the tricky part. Next word, from. From. Okay, you found it way over here. Great job. Next word, she. That was on last week's. She. Good, way over here. Next word, one. One. Good, over here. Next word, down. Down. Yeah, you have two spots. I put it on here twice, so either one is fine. Next word, once. Once. We hear that in our fairy tales often, once upon a time, right? So that's how it's spelled. Next word, me. Me. There we go, right here. Next word, do. Do. Right here. Next word, what. What. Way up in the corner. How about why? Why? Here. When? When? Right here, good. And I don't know if we got this one, so let's do it one more time. Where? Where? Ah, right here. All right, so let's have a challenge. Now I'm going to call them out a little bit quicker, okay? You're going to do your best to find those words and tap them on your screen. Are you ready? We're going to go a little bit quicker. If this gets overwhelming, just follow along. Ready? Down. Yep. Do. Good. Of. Yep. One. Yes. What? Yes. Where? Good. She? Good. Once. Nice. Down. Was. Good. Why? When? From? All right, even quicker this time. This will be our last time through. This time I'm going to call them out, but I'm not going to locate them for you. You just tap them if you see them. Down. Do. When. Me. Of. Why. When. She. Once. From. What. One. Do. Down. When. Me. Was. Where. She. Down. Of. Why. Do. When. One. Where. All right, I hope you guys had a lot of fun with Tap the Word game, and see you soon.